Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage kimchi. Start by preparing your napa cabbage. Cut it into quarters or halves depending on your preference. Then, generously brine the cabbage with coarse sea salt, letting it sit for 2 to 3 hours. This step is crucial for drawing out moisture and tenderizing the leaves. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold water to remove excess salt, then drain well. Next, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. Blend fresh garlic, ginger, and onion until smooth. Combine this mixture with Korean chili flakes, also known as gochugaru, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar. For a thicker consistency, stir in a cooled glutinous rice flour paste. Finally, fold in grated Korean radish and chopped chives. Now for the fun part, mixing. Put on some gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Thoroughly coat each cabbage leaf with the prepared kimchi paste, ensuring an even distribution. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into an airtight jar, pressing down to remove air pockets. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, depending on your desired sourness. After fermentation, transfer your delicious homemade kimchi to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process, allowing it to last for several weeks or even months while its flavors deepen. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a vibrant side dish, or incorporate it into various recipes like stews and fried rice. It's a tasty and healthy addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.